Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Una you continue. Now we really kute wa audio we be video pan audio we got aga awu. Audio we got na bi sort out the board. Oni nu we wi na so ka we. Only no we na so ka we. Frank, when we je, one no another time we bonisa. Frank. One no another time we bonisa. But me meta la there because of the nonsense in we una. Frank. One no another time we bonisa. Frank, one no another time we bonisa. But the meta la there. But when we do una, we not respect having women because of why you don't have love for women. You don't have love for women. That is why we are with demonstration. We are with demonstration. Frank, we are going to misbehave. Why you they misbehave? They gaining we are misbehaving now. They go na pain where they gaining with him. We are misbehaving now. They gaining with him. Just tell me which gain. Insulted. Insulted the whole Benin people. Why? Where me state of it, Frank? Where social media is very big. I'm not composing, you know. Benin people, you know, they attack Frank. There are so many traps. If really so, you really get sense. There are so many traps in Nigeria in Facebook. Yeah, that make us on that. I'll soon block her. No worry, I'll block her. May you they talk nonsense. I go delete all your comment. Now very useless of that. Maybe na. I'm not just saying that na Frank, maybe not Frank. Frank, maybe now you they use that Mecca Sunday because I see the level where you take the fallout. I see many topics. Maybe now you they use that. See, I don't say they watch me, Frank. I don't say they watch me as I tell you so. But what I want to tell you, all these things they do, go back and want you get where you go reach. I also beat dog, they beat you, Frank. I mean talking, I mean be dumb priest, young prophet. Yeah, my time my young prophet. Yeah, my time my young prophet. Don't worry. With time, you will know they talk to you. You hear me tell you so with time you will know they talk to you. For now you feel saying a play, not be play. Because you know if you come out, they insult Benin people all the time, they insult our women, they insult everybody, they do it, they waiting. You know get brain.
I greet you original.
What's up now? You know get brain. Why did they worry you? Me bonisa. Me meta la there. One no annoying boss me we Frank na bonisa. I even know yak bonisa we no jemi jemi. I even know yak bonisa we no jemi. One no yak tami me. When I get tami we bonisa Frank. But me meta la there. But I only omati we there na gwan. Imate only gwan because me gu gwan. I upaya atiti. So I bless we can really aje. Atiti respond to me, talk like a man. Oh, Atiti get soft man. So he respect me, forget what you fear or you go but of a reduce. Atiti, where worry. Maybe I'm going to go about you way. Whatever Ajebo na mo settle. Omasana Atiti. Oh no, la what go where worry, why you settle? Atiti Motamawe. Masana Atiti. The by Frank away no mag batiti. People don't they like you atiti. Prophet atiti. People they like you. The by Frank away no mag ba. A Frank, okere avec we. He no beast. When you are ojo no ma responsible. E Frank ijo no ma responsible, ojo no beast or no tell a coward ire. E Frank ijo no tell ni besa a coward. O man wa tell me wa agun okay, we be reason we be ta. Tell we ta ni to gba to magba, we reason e wa agun rubbish tie bono na me on we ma tie bono be Facebook. Ina be tama de ina we eru wala na call a platform weary. He tama me weary wala gbelo ma wa. Oni we tami me. Weary wala gbelo ma wa. Ah, we weary evidence la jan eru wala ya gbelo ma wa. We have evidence ile la jan. Frank. I know weary evidence ile eru wala ya gbelo ma wa. We have evidence ile la jan. Frank. Frank, if they say me you bring evidence say Papa Wala they keep people for Nigeria, you will see evidence bring come out. Where you they come out they say Papa Wala they keep people. You know, say we now they talk for life, you know, they talk. My brother, una will go Nigeria one day. Wait, no, now go Nigeria one day. Frank, see as you content to old man because of people matter we be say you they talk rubbish. All this, you see like all these people where they comment so. Now they give you, me now they listen to people where they comment to. Now few people will be say get sense. Now they listen to for comments. You understand what I tell you so? Frank, when me tamu we now few people will be say I they listen for comment because some people they will be say their comment go they boy you. You dey hear me? So Frank, I must tell you the truth. You better take time. Now the last one why they give you so you better take time. The way you take the insult our Benin people, we not like her, we not accept her. Frank, we not accept her. The way you take the insult our Benin people, we not accept her. Because all your live video, you say also Benin. Now I'll tell you like who copy now who copy mama now you to the insult our people. God don't bless of Benin. You they breed them, they humiliate them. You they humiliate them. Which gain you want get? If after all this humiliation, now which gain you they get, Frank? They gain in give me after this humiliation. Why you for ne? Who ya love you? They gain in with me. By bringing people down, Frank. They gain in me by bringing people down. They gain in with me, Frank, by bringing people down. Which gain you they get? See, Frank, now the last one that they give you so, If you not take time, this is our saga. Now 70 years saga. If I say, may I follow you do saga, Frank? Now 70 years saga we will do, Frank. Frank, if I say more, me I use start saga. Now 70 years saga. My saga na different part. You see, say that moment about why I tell they do my makeup artist. You see, I say people don't they use her now. Emma follow. Hey, Frank, ubewe omomeroba ni yawe makeup ni yawe saga makeup ubewe imave so an lo ene ya ibego kokpa apoko gossip poster. We be say see they use that omomeroba okay don priest yes one copy will be don priest in in a different type of saga comedy different type of saga comedy no it frustrate you. Frank, I get different type of saga comedy that can frustrate you. I bet more they share this video. Make everybody they see all Benin people. See all my fans who are there. If not so my fans, I bet more they share this video. I beg more they share this video because when you got the sub, so it not make sense, my people. When they sub, so it not good. We be say Frank or you they insult our Benin people anyhow. Frank or you they insult our Benin people anyhow. Why? Emeka Sunday. That of believe now today you watch me. Now today be the last day we will watch me reach. From tomorrow, say you go open on that fake account. You can never watch me again. From now today, now you will watch me reach. You hear me so? Yeah, God send. Good morning. God bless you. God bless you. Eddie, God bless you. I see all of now. I know my people. Me know my real people for here. Not be some fake people will be say they go now they motivate Frank, they do nonsense. I see your name with they be Emeka. Emeka not be Benin name. And you there Emeka right from time. Some Igbo people not like Benin. See the way they be in Emeka. What you consider Benin people? You see say that they insult Benin people now, that they bring Benin people down, that they happy. If I start to insult now, major men for Igbo land, you go like her. If you hear say me they insult na the Kaluna or they insult una Eze, you go like her, Emeka. Emeka, me they insult na Eze, now you go like her. I be teacher not feel insult na Eze. You think say me not go feel insult na Eze. But you call here now call they misbehave because a Benin man, they spoil Benin man. You dey happy for her, Emeka. Anywhere you dey, may you never see peace in your life, Emeka. Emeka, now you I see your comment. Anywhere you dey, you never see peace in your life. For real, go mark am. You will from temptation to the fall for temptation. The way this guy they go down now, you they watch. You they watch the way Frank Victor you they go down now. The way Frank Victor you they go down now. Now so all the people they support how they go down. You they watch now. Since he say now Benin people, my sister, good morning. God bless you. Endurance. God bless you. God bless you. So, may I tell you now, una way be say, una dey spoil Benin people till they make name for social media. See, una no go make heaven. Una no go make heaven. Una way they spoil Benin people name, just say them for social media for take make name. Una no go make heaven. You know if you carry like me now, I go carry Papa Wale come and dey insult her, or I carry Destiny Bagwa come and dey insult her. Carry people wey be say don't make the insult. What they want insult them for? For me to insult them, I'll promote them. I will promote them. For real, because these people never all gone one day say go keep person. I never hear say Papa Wala carry gun one day go keep person. I never see say Destiny Bagwa carry gun one day go keep person. These are our Benin people wey be say they see Don Rishi, they hear Don Rishi. I never see one day say Don Rishi carry gun go keep person. You understand me? So these are our real people wey be say we supposed to they promote them. So they be Benin people wey they make Benin they promote Benin cultures and everything. You all come out because say how much Facebook want to give you now. Now you they insult our Benin people anyhow. It's not good. Frank, now the last one why they give you so be this. I don't want to hear Ajeboni for your mat again. I don't want to hear Papa Eru Wala mat for. I know say this is why they talk. So you know what hear because they first say you stubborn. The stubbornness way if you say you stubborn, don't be stubbornness. So that one I call stupidity. You see the stubbornness way if you say you stubborn, Frank. That is not stubborn. That is called stupidity. If you feel say you stubborn, you know the think what people they tell you. Frank, I must tell you the truth that is called stupidity. You are fooling yourself. How can you bring your brothers down and be insulting them, giving them name that is not of them? You will bring your brothers down, your Benin tribe people, be giving them name that is not of them, be calling them when you know there are so many people that you're supposed to call that name. Frank, what will you gain in all this that you are doing? Frank Victor, what will you gain? What is your benefit? By bringing our people down, what is your benefit? If you go Nigeria now, they can't go poof you now. People will see they cry. Say why they poof this guy. If you go Nigeria now, they go poof you. Okay, even Jamie where you go there, so again where you go, they come out for Jamie, they beat you like a Momo Frank. You know if you come France, when me see you, I will rush you. Frank, I tell you, you know if you come France, I go see you. Now police go come carry me and you that day. Don't be like to tell you, Frank. Say me see you one-on-one. I will rush you. For real, because for me to call you, talk to you, say, I don't want to hear Ajebo matter for your matter. You're supposed to respect me. You respect me, say, okay, no problem. I call you, say, Frank, as in, I don't want to hear Ajebo matter for your matter again. At least, you respect me, say, okay, bro, no problem. In case of on a very good day, you still call me. I'll still respect you. But now, I can't say, you know, sense not there your brain. You know you get brain at all. You are who are you now on Muria? You know you get sense. Why? Why you know you get sense, Frank? Just tell me why you know you get sense. Eh? What's when I did them why, Frank? What am I? Why you know you get sense? Eh? Just tell me now. You carry a nogi, say a nogi. You carry a nogi, they sort a nogi, they sort everybody. You're the what be your problem, Frank? What be your problem? You carry a no get wife, they sort a no get wife. You that person will not get wife at your age. You don't pass 40 years, Frank. At your age, you don't pass 40 years. You don't get serious wife. At your age, you don't pass 40 years. You don't get a fool at 40. What it be? Don't be fool forever. A fool at 40, don't be fool forever. Why say atiti lele be? Who no condemn atiti? Why say atiti lele? Atiti, merci à nous. Atiti, merci à nous. What you condemn atiti, Frank? You know if we condemn atiti because we know we'll leave atiti for you. We like atiti. Atiti, lao, na reduce saga na la baba. So that the blessing make na asi my boy again. E man agule lewe saga wa ron ze misbehave. I we ya bege woman we make sure now misbehave be. Uma sa na, ere ya we. Papa, I respect you atiti. You be man why I respect. Prophet Atiti, anywhere you did, God bless you. Not let Frank they draw you for all this evil thing, Prophet Atiti. Not left because Frank now they draw you for all this evil thing. You see, since there, Ajebono Sabo are blessed. You see, I say it's off you ignore all of now. And the way you ignore all of una, so God go ignore so many people will not get sense. Mr. Ajebo, Osabo Afia Boy, no you have to ignore yana. And we are continuing here. Rubbish saga, God will still be blessing you. Because when the governor send the invitation give, when the governor send the letter, not send the give, a governor don't beg a Frankie way saga. How do you mean with Mr. Ajebo? Baba Ajebo, a governor don't beg a way or beg a video where a Frankie way saga. Okay, where a man of Nigeria. Or what ye Abat. Abat supposed to get good position for government house, better position. Because of all this saga where they do, governor they see her. What you know they call saga? Saga, forget say where they do saga. Saga they bring person down. I don't know. All this saga they bring person down. If you come here and say our governor now carry video now they do saga, what do I go feel? Our governor of Edo State will carry video, they do saga, they insult person, I can't see the video. The video I will be. What how people will call our governor? Abat will come and they do saga. You say they do politics. You say be politician. Politician when they do saga. That kind of politician not fit go far. The hear me so? Politician when they do saga can never go far. That is why Abat they travel to Lagos because his reputation is going down. Because of that saga where Abat they do, where be say go they insult many people. You say governor they see her. Governor they see her. So Mr. Ajebo, you don't large this way be say what you they do? Governor they see her, Mr. Ajebo. The way you they do your thing peacefully, they go. Continue like that. Leave all this. Even though they measure your name, no answer there. No answer there. You know, you see Yeki. Since we Yeki, not answer Vera. You don't say Vera, don't they useless. Vera, don't they useless. You give me Vera, you give me go rich. Only you go tire. Only she go tire. You understand me so? Only she go tire. So, Mr. Ajebo, I beg. Even though say Frank, you see they come out for you. No answer. Buffer. So that your glory go stand where? Because now be the same mate, Mr. Ajebo. Your level pass Frank well. Mr. Ajebo, your level pass Frank well. So if you go to follow person where your level pass where they make noise on social media now for Leon, Mr. Ajebo. Mr. Ajebo, I beg. Just leave this mumu Frank, make you the zoo. Master, because they don't see and say your time be this one, so your name don't they rave for everywhere. You want to try because if you look Frank be like who they possess. If you see anybody where be say they spring up, he name he name just the year in name where Frank will want bring the person down. He will want try use anything to tire, which get you the gate, Frank. Frank, if they confirm you where your boss say you not be real Bini, the way me they see because people when they reach where Bini like this, way be say they don't they get cautions. They not be real Bini. See people when they support you, Igbo people they support you. Anybody where Igbo people they support, you know you see the way Igbo people they support Monkey Face. See Monkey Face. You know you see the way Igbo people they support Monkey Face. So anybody where Igbo people they support, definitely you'll see say those people, if they don't take time, they'll banish them for state. See Monkey Face now. See laugh. That one be like wasted soul. Monkey Face be like wasted soul. Imagine, see your father died and you don't fit go Nigeria. Now not picking. Who they pray me born that kind pico and come Monkey Face. Et Frank, you know here. Frank, who know agent na Monkey Face? Frank, who know agent na Monkey Face? Who know agent na Monkey Face? Frank, you want me to be like Monkey Face? Which game you they get? All this way Monkey Face they do. Tell they come, Monkey Face go regret all of them. Either way they regret her. That one they suffer. You know the kind of why that one they suffer? If you know the kind of suffer where Monkey Face they suffer inside body, no know they misbehave. Frank, you just turn yourself to use less soul. You turn yourself to use less souls. Frank, I beg when they share this video. I know nobody they share this video at all. You know good now. I beg. If not they enjoy this video, they talk. Someone they share this video. Now don't prince they line. Now don't prince they line. Don't prince. If not they enjoy my topic, when they share this video, I beg. You understand me so? This guy where they put where they call Mecca so that they put red for this place. So mona attacker. I don't know if you attacker. One of the attacker. Attacker, mona attacker, mona God. Frank, you come out all these poor Benin people all the time. Say, Toto Sweet, you are a big fool. You understand me, so? So what did they tell now? Frank, they respect your life. Respect your life, Frank. You know, sir. Okay, now this girl they call Toto Sweet. Toto Sweet, you be real mugu, not be lie. Toto Sweet. See, not be Benin people. Because I will start to use Benin again. Because I don't want to use English, so that make some people see the year. If I don't take time, I will start to use Benin again. So that maybe my Benin people they listen to it and they talk. I want to try to use English, but not the year. See the way they be a Toto Sweet. If they check and your boss na fake account. If they check you now fake account, fake life everywhere. Now use this fake account, say they support Frank. You go, they are people. Now use this fake account, they support Frank. You go, they are people. See, may I tell you now, even though I leave 5 people, they watch me. That 5 people, where you get sense. Even though they 5 people, get sense, now they watch me. I respect them. Don't be like they tell now. When I fed it, now they see me, even though I not get paid the way they view me, I they talk with them, I want talk. I must tell them the real things. So, look all these presenters who be say all these poor Benin people need this poor Benin people need. I'm not go confirm that they don't be real Benin. Real Benin person. We be say real Benin person. Of your money, or message, or mona be do, na they can't do who. Or one movie do, or what, bonnet, or very cool. What's that very? Or one movie dory, or what, bonnet, or very cool. What's that very? They not be the Benin. Et that way, when you don't stay at do, and be avec do, and you don't want do, and do. Most of the area, I present an area do, And the bouillon my people, all these presenters, many of them don't be Benin. Many of them don't be Benin, but they use Benin because they grow for Benin. So, I mean, do area do with a do, what because was a done, what do I mean, Doria? O Tedo Asiwagoto. O Tedo Asiwagoto, Wahirania. Wahirania. When waya, I'm dog both of the social media now. Agmo Asiwagi. Frank, when we are there by monkey face, we are moving dog both of the social media now. Agmo Asiwagi, Frank, for real, Agmo Asiwagi. A temptation we were miena, here na hina. We were wash. A temptation we were miena, here na hina. Agmo Asiwagi, Frank. Oh, we are here no less social media no zua. Except if we here. Except say you change. Umana fi where ye Frank, who we are here to knock berry. And then if you are you will be here boo. Frank, all the time away, we are measuring a year that way, year this a year that. I'm measuring ye, when at a year, when at a year, when at a one measure ye, one measure now. When we measure, it may time we want a time. Ugbe here boo Frank. Except we a Gemini Jenny, who ladia wowa. Except we uje party, who ladia wowa. Masa venat Frank, because when we are beef. Uho na wa gbe lu bile lu o. Awa ave pity we, awa because we wen. Who dey wen? What say no dey wen Frank? What iju we na ya aragbon? Because ora kon if you do so we jouer wune so but ora come clear ti jouer gele wune. E ma ni si ke jouer aragbon. Ni ave agu where ya verse. E we no read we no time no way your papa you don't gather the money you want to do their burial. Or your papa never die. Now, so your son still gather money when you want to do your burial, Frank. As you take gather money when you want to do your family burial, when they never die, when they still there alive. Now, so your baby, when you still born here, go still gather money, Frank, take bury you when you there alive. And this cost and cost give you because I want you to talk for live video. You say, even though say your papa, your mother die, say you not care, say you don't already gather their money. Fine, good. The way you take gather their money, so now, so your daughter, when you born, or your son, when you born, I don't know when you born. Now so does he gather money when you there alive go gather your burial money down. That's so it will be in Jesus' name. Or mono ilaja no mere agbot of the social media. Or more you call the for your father and half for social media. That guy picking a wayward son. Is a wayward son, Frank. Any picking will be say they carry a family call social media call they insult them. That picking a wayward son. Wayward picking. For real. Now wayward son. This Europe will do so. this Europe will dey so where everybody dey so. Now they say the Europeans they enjoy their country, they make good of their country, they talk about their country. Well, forget our country dilapidate. Forget our country dilapidate. We know say Nigeria dilapidate now. Fine. But more they use sense, they do things. More they use sense, they do things. Eh? You know they say Buhari self, the way Buhari take come Nigeria now, he come frustrate us with South East. Eh? You know they say Buhari come frustrate us with South East. Eh? See no time as they enjoy Buhari. Now then you see people they carry better machine. They only put them for prison. Only people come and say they need their own freedom. They say they need freedom. Buhari will they put them for prison. Now no come and they talk about those things. Now just to they bring Eruwala down, bring Destiny down. A bagwa bring people wey be say Benin people take they get joy. Now you they bring them down. Which gain I get? Frank, which gain I get? Eh? Which gain? Okay, now you still come out tomorrow. Aje Bako, aje that, aje this. What you get name, Frank? You get name for somebody to open orphanage home for Benin. You don't respect that kind of person. Frank, how many people you don't help? Frank, how many people you don't help for Nigeria? For person to open orphanage home, now make me the respect Kolisi Mudia today. Kolisi Mudia, may God continue to bless you anywhere you dey. Kolisi Mudia Foundation, anywhere you dey, your foundation will be very large time. Forget say I never, Kolisi Mudia, forget say whenever to get good contact, time they come, man, you will feel me. You go know say na man I be, not be saying I play a deal. You understand, Kolisi Mudia? All these things wey they do so Kolisi Mudia, we dey see all of them. All the good things wey you do for Benin. God continue to bless you, Kolisi Mudia. Your reward is too large. Kolisi Mudia, your reward is too large. You understand me? Forget that battle. All those one where battle they call name, they call you name. Don't listen to Abat. Abat na frustrated human being. Abat na frustrated human being. You know say I say nah self. They never even know a location. 4 plus 4 matter. You know say Abat don't even know what they happen for 4 plus 4. He piri. Okay, he piri. See people will be say they even they put for commissioner. If they say me they read all the truth, the work where Abat do for governor. The work where Abat do for governor. All those people they put for commissioner, they don't do half of that work. Work with this guy. When I know they commonize social media, work where Abat do for governor. If I tell you say all this commission where they give, I don't see one at that time. I never see what they do, but today they share commissioner. Commissioner never reach your hand. Abat, you go school. You go school. You can do a commissioner. Eh? You can do commissioner. This the Murphy brother where they do this thing for Abuja. He get level pass you. How many level? As much get level, get level pass you. This the Murphy brother where they do this thing where they do as of representative for Abuja. As of representative, that guy where they represent one of our this thing. You see, they feel me so. Abat, you know, say because of all this saga and so many things where they do for social media, they bring you down. If every person go get level reach, you don't need to do saga. If people even talk about your luck, you don't see them. If you get level reach, you don't need to do saga with some kind of people will be say about your command, they do saga, they do rubbish, they do mumu thing. See today, Nana, Obaseki cannot recognize you. You think Obaseki cannot know you? Obaseki know you about, he know you where they see your video, every video you do. Through you, they don't insult Obaseki tire. Through you, they don't insult Obaseki tire about. But which gain you they get for all these things about? You come out, see John Usagi, rubbish, Kolisi Mudia with my old guy, Kolisi Mudia my real guy. We be how they play with Mudia. You the rubbish Mudia saying a fraudulent foundation. Fraudulent foundation. They first say they speak English. Yeah, these are fraudulent foundation. Fraudulent. If they say that English where they speak for social media, they put you for commissioner, but I would get joy. All those your English where they speak. It was say they use that put you for commissioner or they get joy. When I mean they share this video, make it all of them see anybody where they mention their name. I want me to see this video. Janosagi, can you be opening fraudulent foundation? Abat, open one foundation, more see. Abat, open one foundation, make more no not be fraudulent. At least if now let 10 people you still they help. Na plus. But if now only 10 people they help now plus not more you carry one because your platform don't wide. You just see person busy gets more stress. You carry platform fisa and this person need the help. This did not be that one me do. Open we are busy will they carry all those our lema with the ring road. All those lema with the Osage they help those days. Now you go park there, they help them. We'll see say they really help all these people. Then you call this poor Kolisimudia name, this poor real people name for social media. It's not good that bad. It's not good. You don't make names. See your name, you dey spoil your name. It's not good. You understand what I tell you? It's not good, eh? When they do well, it's not good. So anybody who say you get foundation, we not respect them. Anybody who get foundation, we not respect them. We need to respect them. It's not good. It's not easy for somebody to open foundation. They take up people, it's not born. You know what it mean? It say easy. It is easy for somebody who be say he not born. As in person who born. As in they take off people will be say he not born. Now see come out they call the fraudulent. What is the meaning of fraudulent? You know the meaning of fraudulent? People when they do Yahoo follow you about. You know they call the fraudulent. I tell you though, I challenge you the other day. Say about. If you know say you not get anybody when they do Yahoo follow you about. Carry Bible when you can swear. About if you say you know they do Yahoo. Carry your Bible. Come and say, if I get friends where they do Yahoo, may God kill me, or may God punish me, or may God not let me see front. But come out now. May you go tell people, say, you not get any friend where they do Yahoo. Come out, may you go tell the world, say, I not get friend where they do Yahoo. You just see people be say, that they do orphanage home, that they help people, you just spoil their name. You say, Governor Obasa go, they happy for you. You say, Governor Obasa go, they happy for you. You know what happy for you, my brother? I must tell you the truth. You know what happy? So that one for who? So Frank, the last one why they give you be this one. Stop to this spoil Benin people name Frank. Frank, now the last one why they give you be this. Stop to this spoil Benin people name for social media, Frank. Mona make sure to share this video, make Frank see him. Frank, now the last warning. Not this spoil Benin people name. Use your platform, they praise Benin people. You will still get followers. See my page where I open. I never ever reach 1 month where I put this page. Go see, I want to get close to 2,000 followers. Never ever reach 1 month where I open now. I want to get close to 2,000 followers. Imagine say I continue this page. It will say this page, that mean they do since. Maybe because people tell me say I start page. I can't say I don't want to do payment. I don't confess that money I want to use and make. That make me they use my Facebook. Through my Facebook, now they tell me without no page. But now I just open page. Never ever reach 1 month. I don't get close to 2,000 followers. And people see they follow me, they go. Before you pass it, before you reach 6 months, now I go knock like 5,000 followers. You see, so it's good to be good. This life is good to be good. If you are good, people are watching you. If you are bad, people are watching you. You cannot be insulting our Benin women all the time. Your pack all of the other insult. No one will never insult for live video. All our Benin women, Frank, no one will never insult. Now you don't enter the men. Now you don't insult the men up and down. What do you they gain, Frank? What do you they gain for all these things they do? Which gain you they gain? Everybody where they support you, they not be Benin. They be another tribe. Because they see and say Benin to get level. Many tribes they want to bring Benin down. Because they see and say we Benin too they powerful. Only one state we be say they everywhere for the whole world. Only one state we be saying only one state we get for Nigeria. Only Edo state. My brother and my sisters. Anyway, you not see Benin person for this world. Rock more for that place. Not be only Igbo that they talk. Igbo get reach like 7 states or 8 states. That make you see the many for everywhere. Benin only one state. Anyway, you not see Benin man for this world. You not there. Only one state. Where be say nowhere for this world. They're not there. Nowhere. Where be say you not see Benin man. And for many states for here we know say Sokoto people not many for Europe. You understand me? So Sokoto people not many for Europe. Kanu people not many for Europe. You understand me? So and they get many population. Sokoto get more than 20 million citizens for Nigeria. But he only Benin people, only Benin people. No they observe, only Benin people, they did everywhere for the world. So we are a great citizens. To become a Benin man or a Benin woman, declare for yourself. You don't know what God do for you. You are a prophet on your own. You are a prophetess. If you be woman, you are a prophetess. Because you be ancestors. You be ancient city. You are from ancient city, so you definitely be ancestors. Anybody use your mouth curse. If you warrior. As I say you be Benin person. You are from real Benin. Say you confirm say you be Benin. You understand? I beg. If you don't say you be Benin, you're right. Say I'm a Benin person. I'm not right now. They beg. I want me to say Benin people. More see. More know the Winshi people with there. If you know say you be Benin person, please, you help me right say I be Benin person. I'm from Benin. Hello, my people, my beautiful people. Now they hear what they talk. If you know say you are from Benin, just help me right say I'm from Benin. Because to become a Benin citizen, to become a Benin citizen, you don't know what God has done for you. To become, make me tell you that they say, if you see Benin woman marry, responsible Benin woman marry, you know what God do for you. If you see Benin responsible woman marry, you know what God do for you. Yeah, Agbon say I'm from Benin. God bless you, Agbons. Yeah, Agbon say I'm from Benin. Hope Imasuen say I'm from Benin. Hope Imasuen say I'm from Benin. Yeah, you see the say I'm proud of Benin. See my people. See the favor Ebu say I'm proud of Benin. Yeah. Lucky not see them Benin people, see everybody Benin. If you know you are Benin, you're the right time. Mo see the trap where be say day here, the windshield trap where they put will see the nana. If you know say you are from Benin, just write and say I'm from Benin. If you know you are proud of Benin, write it out, let people see it. If you know you are proud of Benin, please just write it out, let people see. Because you're supposed to be proud of your state. Benin is one of the oldest states in Nigeria. Benin City is one of the oldest city in Nigeria. So if you are from that oldest city, you are an ancestors. Please don't swear for people because your swear fiki person. Hello, now the other I tell you. See, Ekato Augustine say Benin, good. God bless you, Ekato. See, I'm not Benin, but I love them. God bless you. God bless you. I just say yeah. Benin people are the best. Yeah. If you marry from Benin, God will continue to bless you. If you marry Benin woman, if you marry Benin woman, we get sense. Now, no. See, may I give you one story? The king of Delta land. Now, know the new king. We did Delta land. The new king. Which person marry? Now, Benin woman marry. Benin woman I marry. For real, Benin woman I marry. Say I'm from Benin. God bless you now. Now we all be Benin people, now God will bless you now. Because to become a Benin person, it's not easy. That makes you see some people they fake Benin. Now people they want fake themselves to become a Benin people. And we know them. People like this Frank, so people like Frank Victor, not see name, not Frank Victor. They want to try to become Benin. You see, and see people are proud of Benin. I beg you want to take the right answer, may I bless you now. This morning, all these people that claim they are state they are from Benin, God, this morning, may bless you all they follow that they go. Don't let them regret where they for come, Baba God. You see these people where they claim say they be from Benin people, they proud from where they for come. God, continue to butter their bread. Continue to bless them. If na document they find, give them. If na money they find, give them. If na woman, wife, husband, anything where they find, God, give these Benin people will be say they deal with me yes. So God continue to bless you now. God continue to bless you now. If now husband you dey find, you go see husband in Jesus' name. If now wife you dey find, you go see better wife. Not be lie they tell now. Benin people. For real. Anywhere where they insult Benin people, when they reach there, when they boof them. Because we are great people. Benin, Oviedo, Iliedo, we are a great people. People are jealous of us. Emanibu jealous man. You see, I say this was a proudly Benin. Proudly Benin. You see, people are proud of Benin. Frank Victor, your come out. You see people that are proud of Benin. Frank Victor, your come out. They insult Benin people. Frank, which game you want to get? Frank, which game you want to get? You don't know say Benin get ancestor. Benin ancestor will strike you one day, Frank. Benin ancestors will strike you one day if you don't take time. For all this way they do so. By bringing Benin down, Benin ancestor will strike you one day. You are not helping the citizens of Benin. You are not helping us. If you are helping us, you cannot be bringing the great Benin people down. What have they done? You know, see criminal for Nigeria. You know, bring the come out for social media. You know how many terrorists they? You know, pack the come out for social media. Why Benin woman? Why? See, as I say you accept Benin, bless no will finish your life. Good things no will finish your life. As I say you claim, say you be Benin, you not fake am. You not fake am. Forget say those one where you're the stupid was that Benin yours the leave them. The real Benin will get sense. Now God will bless you and they go. But Frank Victor, now the last one they are giving be this. You better stop to the insult Benin people for your social media. You see Vera where they insult Yeki every day. Vera from Isoko. You see Vera where they insult Yeki every day. Vera, she is from Isoko. She's from Isoko. So all of now will be say, now they insult Benin people. Now we'll see on one day. So my people, thank you. This video is over long. I don't want to make it long like this. May God continue to bless all of you in Jesus' name. Thank you. I'm gonna share this video. Anywhere they see my video, I'm gonna share. I'm gonna follow me, because we need to build our this our page. We need to build them. You understand me? So when they follow me up and down, I not get shaking. I will give them the best. You understand me? So since France you not like hook up, you know if they do better thing, we will come start better hook up here. Better hook up. We come to one way be say, if we give Benin person heart, say person will give and use and misbehave, we will too frustrate that person. I can't start hook up today. Now I can't bring one of my sister give you say this my sister. Now you say like you not don't like each other. Tomorrow my sister can't tell me say see how you they misbehave. See my brother, I'll too useless you. I'll too useless you for this social media. If you be mad, say maybe I can't start hook up tomorrow. I can't do hook up. I can't do hook up where be say I can't merge you together. See, don't go fuck the any babe where I give you, don't go fuck him up, If you fuck him up, I know go feel happy, Not be lie, I know if you fuck him up, I know go feel happy, because very soon we'll start hook up. More begin position so many things. So we'll get many things to do. May God bless all of you in Jesus' name.
Thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Okay, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.